Hello everyone. So this video we will be taking a look at factor pairs. What is factor pairs? Factor pairs mean just two numbers together like teammates get multiplied and they give us a whole number. Like say a whole number. So that doesn't include decimals. It just includes whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the whole numbers. And if we take a look at this example, we could just say like say these are just chairs arranged at an auditorium somewhere. 3 is like the rows, 2 is just the column. What if we do 3 times 2? That is equal to 6. So, that ways we can conclude this is 3 times 2. 3 is 3, oops, yeah, 3 comma 2 is one of the factor pair. Why? Because 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So, 3 comma 2 is one of the factor pair we can say. 3 is the number of rows, 2 is the number of columns. And then, similarly for this one. Again, this is gonna be 6, about it says here, this is gonna be like 1. Just 6 times 1 is just 6. So we just get another way of arranging our chairs. Say we arrange like this, or we arrange like this. Either way can work. Then, if we try to say 2 times 3, if someone says 3 times 2 or 2 times, that is also 6. So, we can do this way also, but 3 times 2 or 2 times 3 is the same thing. So we can just say like this also, or like this. We can say 1 comma 6 or 6 comma 1. Either way we can write, but not both ways because we want here is the unique pairs, okay? Unique pairs of factors. So we need just one of these. So we can just say, let's just choose 1 comma 6 and 3 comma 2. So these are the factor pairs of our number of chairs. How we can arrange these. So of the number 6, let me change the color here. The number 6, this has only two factor pairs. Those are 1 comma 6 and 3 comma 2. Okay, now how do we find say a factor pairs for any number without all of these drawings? So how do we find is it's gonna be, let me just, okay, it's gonna be say 12. Let's just pick 12 as a good number. So 12. Now, for that number, how do we find it? First, we just check from 1 to 12. So we just check where does 12 goes into 1? Yes, it does. 12 times 1 is 12. Is 12 to go into 2? Yes, it does. We could say 6 times 2, that's gonna equal 12. Does 12 go into 3? Yes, it does. It goes 4 times 3 or 3 times 4. Anyway, you can. Does 12 go into 4? Yeah, it does go. We just wrote that 4 times 3 is equal to 12, or 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 2 times 6 is equal to 12, or 6 times 2 is equal to 12. And then we just count 5, 6, went here, but 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Those don't go into 12, and just 12 goes here. So we just got these three pairs. From 1 to 12, we just counted what numbers divide essentially into 12. We got all of these. So we just write them together, separated by commas, as our final answer, like that. So yeah, that is going to be the factor pairs for 12. Okay, up next in the next video, we'll be taking a look at some practice problems. Stay tuned, and if you like the video, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.